Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Shiksha. আজি এই ভিডিঅ'টোত লৈ আহিছোঁ 2024 কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ which is very important for all kinds of government competitive exams আৰু এই সকলোখিনি কুৱেশ্যনছ MCQ টাইপতে আছে। যদিহে আপোনালোকে মোৰ চেনেলটো প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে চাইছে তেনেহ'লে প্লিজ লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব so that ময়ো মটিভেট হওঁ আৰু এনেকৈ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ভিডিঅ'সমূহ আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰলৈ লৈ আহিব পাৰোঁ। এতিয়া আমি আমাৰ টপিকলৈ যাওঁ। লেটছ ষ্টাৰ্ট। Question number 1. Which player won the ICC Men's Player of the Month Award for July 2024? The options given here are option A, Joe Root, B, Gus Atkinson, C, Ben Stokes, D, Suryakumar Yadav. The correct answer is option number B, Gus Atkinson. Question number 2. Who has written the book Power Within, The Leadership Legacy of Narendra Modi? The options given here are options A, Dr. R. Balasubramaniam, B. Andy Marino, C. Vijay Jindal, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number A, Dr. R. Balasubramaniam. Question number 3. Which country recently unveiled the world's first mosque with the technology of 3D printing? The options given here are option A, India, B. Iran, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Iraq. The correct answer is option number C, Saudi Arabia. Question number 4. Cynomicrurus gore, a new species of coral snake, was discovered in which state? The options given here are option A, Arunachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. West Bengal, D. Mizoram. The correct answer is option number D, Mizoram. Question number 5. Who among the following is the chief architect of the Ram Temple? The options given here are option A, Chandrakanta Sampura, B. Ashok Singhal, C. Arun Yogiraj, D. Ashok Bhushan. The correct answer is option number A, Chandrakanta Sampura. Chief architect of the Ram Temple is Chandrakanta Sampura. Question number 6. India and which country has prepared to launch Green Fuels Alliance India? The options given here are option A, USA, B, UAE, C, Denmark, D, Germany. The correct answer is option number C, Denmark. Question number 7. What is the 43rd site of India to be included in the UNESCO World Heritage List? The options given here are options A, Dholavira, B, Saraido Moidam, C, Nalanda, D, the Pink City. The correct answer is option number B, Saraido Moidam. Let's see what is Saraido Moidam. It is a bound burial system of the Ahom dynasty. Saraido Moidam is located in Assam. Question number 8. Which state government has announced the Ladka Bhau Yojana for the unemployed youth of the state? The options given here are option A, Lucknow, B, Bihar, C, Maharashtra, D, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is option number C, Maharashtra. Question number 9. In India, which mangrove forest is listed under UNESCO World Heritage Site? The options given here are option A, Pichavaram, Tamil Nadu, B, Sundarbans, West Bengal, D, Bhitarkanika, Odisha, D, Baratang Island, Andaman. The correct answer is option number B, Sundarbans, West Bengal. Question number 10. Manika Batra is related to which sports? The options given here are option A, badminton, B, table tennis, C, shooting, D, wrestling. The correct answer is option number B, table tennis. Question number 11. Indian Railways has partnered with which organization to promote the One India, One Ticket initiative? The options given here are option A, Delhi Metro, B, India Post, C, Airports Authority of India, D, National Capital Region Transport Corporation. The correct answer is option number D, National Capital Region Transport Corporation. Question number 12. Who was the captain of the Indian men's hockey team in the 2024 Paris Olympics? The options given here are option A, Harmanpreet Singh, B, Neeraj Chopra, C, Aman Sherawat, D, Satyadip Gupta. The correct answer is option number A, Harmanpreet Singh. Question number 13. Which state government has launched the Rajiv Gandhi Civil Abhaya Hastam Scheme 2024? The options given here are option A, Karnataka, B, Maharashtra, C, Telangana, D, Kerala. The correct answer is option number C, Telangana. Question number 14. Which team won the ninth ICC Men's T20 World Cup by defeating the South Africa team? The options given here are option A, Australia, B, England, C, India, D, New Zealand. The correct answer is option number C, India. And today's last question is question number 15. Sagar Setu portal is launched by which union ministry? The options given here are option A, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, B, Ministry of Education, C, Ministry of Home Affairs, D, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The correct answer is option number A, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video.